Hello everyone, have you got this Vauxhall key, the non-flip one? You need to change the battery. In this instance it's a CR2032 battery, but it depends on what country you're in. So you'll find out once you opened it what it is, but literally all you need is this flathead screwdriver and that's about it. So all you need to do is just get your flathead in there and just twist it open like so, and it should come apart, and it's simple as that. And there's the battery, as you can see. Oh, let me flip it over. CR2032. So all you need to do is just take that out. Sorry about that, my flathead is a bit too big for this, so when you do use a flathead, try and get a smaller one than I have. So I'm just going to use this. Don't do this when you're at home, but there you go, just pops out. So there's the old one out of the way, there's the new one. So you've got the positive facing up, so all you do is just tuck it in and that's it, and then click. There you go, all done. Hope that helped everyone. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.